Here, you get recommendations for 2 or 3 funds. These could be mutual funds or index funds. The reasons why we recommend the funds are given in the form of 3 color-coded buttons. The first is the investing style. It is an indicator of how the fund manager chooses the stocks for his portfolio. Here, different investing styles ensure diversification. They perform differently under different market conditions. The second is the fund quality. It is an indication of the quality of stocks that are there in the fund's portfolio. The third is the upside potential. This is similar to stocks. It is an estimate of the compounded returns the fund is likely to deliver over a 3-year period. In mutual or index funds, we recommend investing lump sum in those funds with green or orange fund quality and upside potential, and preferably with different investing styles. To understand the recommendation better, you can click on the fund to see the details presented in an easy to understand manner and also read the analyst notes. This will help you give confidence in investing in that fund. Once you are convinced, you can buy these funds. But remember to buy direct plans as far as possible.